world's most magical celebration kicks off October 1st in honor of Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. There's a lot to look forward to during this 18-month event, and at Walt Disney Imagineering, we're especially excited about Cinderella Castle. Since opening day in October 1971, Cinderella Castle, at the heart of the Magic Kingdom, has been an iconic symbol of joy and happiness for friends and family all over the world. Now, as part of the world's most magical celebration, Cinderella Castle will receive a royal makeover. The entire castle will shimmer with pearls and jewels, and the turrets and towers will be wrapped in iridescent gold and royal blue ribbons. Above the castle gate, a 50th anniversary crest will warmly welcome guests to join the festivities.
In the role as hosts of the celebration, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and their pals will be wearing sparkling new fashions, custom built just for this special occasion. These new designs feature multi-tone brocade, layers of iridescent fabrics, and embellished embroidery inspired by the castle and fireworks. Each look is completed with pops of gold on all the trims and accessories. They're going to look fabulous.